Are you looking to make some extra cash online? Well, today I've got a game changer for you, the Amazon affiliate program. Trust me, it's super easy and you can start earning right now. Stay tuned, and I'll walk you through the simple steps. Rock it! Step 1 Sign up. Step 1 Sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Just go to Amazon's affiliate website and click Join Now. Fill out your info. Step 2 Choose a niche that interests you. Whether it's tech gadgets, fashion, or home decor, there's something for everyone on Amazon. Pick what you're passionate about. Fire! Step 3 Find awesome products to promote. Head to Amazon, search for products in your niche, and grab your unique affiliate links. These links track your sales and earn you commissions. Step 4 Create engaging content. This is where your creativity shines. Make videos, write blogs, or share product reviews. Show off those products and why you love them. Movie camera. Step 5 Share your affiliate links in your content. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to share your favorite things. Step 6 Track your earnings on the Amazon affiliate dashboard. Watch those commissions roll in as you grow your audience and share more fantastic products. Dollar banknote. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Sign up, pick your niche, and get creative. The Amazon affiliate program is your ticket to earning money online. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow for more money-making tips. Flexed biceps, let's turn those passions into profits. See you next time.